In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Sheet as an Excel file. Whether you're sharing data with colleagues who prefer Excel or keeping backups in different formats, this simple guide will show you how to do just that. So let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you have your Google Sheets spreadsheet ready to go. Open the spreadsheet that you'd like to convert into an Excel file. You can do this by going to Google Sheets and clicking on the document in your list of files. If it's a shared document, make sure you've got editing rights, as you'll need them to download the file. This step sets the stage for what comes next, so make sure you're in the right spreadsheet. Now that you have the correct file open, let's focus on the top of the screen, where you'll see various menu options. Look for the File menu. It's generally located at the upper left corner, along with other familiar commands. Go ahead and click on File. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for what you can do with your document. From the options in the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over the Download option. Don't click just yet. You're going to notice a new list of file formats that you can choose from. Here, the goal is to download your sheet specifically as an Excel file. So what you'll want to do is go to the option labeled Microsoft Excel, xlsx, and click on it. You're essentially telling Google Sheets that this is the format you'd like for your download. Once you've selected Microsoft Excel, your document will start downloading immediately. Your Google Sheet is now being converted and saved to your computer in the .xlsx format, which is widely used and recognized by Microsoft Excel. This means you can seamlessly share it with anyone who uses Excel, without worrying about compatibility issues. Now, to locate the newly downloaded file, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. This is the default location where most files get saved, unless you've changed your browser's settings. Once you're there, look for the file name of your Google Sheets document. When you find it, simply double-click the file, and it will open in Microsoft Excel, ready for you to edit, analyze, and share, just like any other Excel file. And there you have it. You've successfully converted and saved your Google Sheets document as an Excel file. With these skills, managing and sharing data across different platforms becomes a breeze. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Enjoy using your newly downloaded Excel file.